Hello, Tutor José Alfredo Franco. My name is Lisa Geraldine Torres Sanchez. I am a Chicolai student. At this moment, I will talk about task 4, preparing my traveling guide chart. Algonquin River, located in the charming city of Ocaña, emerged as natural treasure and captivating tourist attraction, is setting west and serene landscapes offering haven of the tranquility, giving visitors the opportunity to escape the daily hustle and bustle. What to do? Tourists had the opportunity to stroll along the leafy streets, simple regional cuisine, and engage in various outdoor pursuits, such as fishing in the Diagonal River and unwinding in the local Central Park. Excursion to Ocaña provide a unique experience to immerse in rural life and gain insights into the cultivation of onions and production of wine. Travel tips. Discover the picturesque scenario del Diagonal River by walking, but steer clear of undignified regionals only accompanied by a guide. Says beautiful of the location through photography, while zooming is the enjoyable group activity. It's important to refrain from doing it alone. Way to go. Best time to visit River Diagonal is June forward, whether outdoor activities and should see the beauty panoramic. Where to stay? On the banks of the river, you can in the compound or even your car. There are resorts and special residences available for staying overnight for a few nights. Why to live? In the Diagonal River, you can eat when you brainstorm yourself, such the typical regional foods like arepas, the famous sancocho, and gear meats. Families gather to make soups or barbecued meats on riverbank. Why to drink? Tradition drinks, while in bolegancho or tradition beers, the families enjoy beers moments to bank river of the weekends. Transportation. The buses, motorcycles, and walking. The language is spoken in Spanish. The currency is the Colombian peso. Tipping is not mandatory, but it is appreciated for good service, especially in restaurants. Thank you.